Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the engine air filter on a 2022 Toyota RAV4. Open the hood and identify the rectangular filter box by the intake duct. Remove the clips or screws holding the housing cover and lift it free. Pull out the old filter and inspect the cavity for debris, then wipe it clean. Insert the new filter with the correct orientation and secure the cover firmly before closing the hood. Start by undoing the clips or screws on the air filter housing, then lift the cover straight up to avoid bending tabs. Carefully slide the old filter out, noting how it sits so you can match orientation later. Inspect the housing and use a clean rag or vacuum to remove dirt, leaves, and small debris. Take a moment to inspect the intake snorkel for cracks or blockages before installing the new filter. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks, go darn tough for cushioned comfort, and a lifetime warranty that outlasts road trips and shop floors. They're a small upgrade that keeps you comfortable while working on projects like your RAV4. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Set the new filter into the box with the airflow arrow pointing toward the engine and ensure it seats evenly on the gasket. Replace the housing cover, aligning tabs and ducts to prevent gaps, then fasten clips or screws snugly, but without over-tightening. Double-check for loose tools and run the engine briefly to confirm there are no rattles or unusual intake noises. Enjoy improved airflow and engine efficiency after this quick maintenance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.